When say wa video we use mobile money and mostly the most ebitimi to coin no ye pe omo ye mobile money no obetimi akọ yiska wo ha obehwe wa unya bi ana se obo omode nkra na unya bi kra na obeti o many physical cash wo nchi meaning say wo ala cash out na usika na twekra na onya sika yede emfama basa video no make sure how obetimi afa so a withdraw sika ide every ATM make ATM o call Ghana commercial bank no say machine be tired no ho abun sama for triska fa dine hono and also call banks BB to say ADB Fidelity like banks to do now won say omo ATM na make sure how obetimi afa so atwe mobile money sika dine afi ho unya girl mu bi kra na opese ma wo punches ni mu yedru a obetimi o mi mobile money no kra na ma link because of say me discount do kra no to me mobile money wallet ni so ntino MTN farm makunya kwa matini link ama ATM nti mostly mitimi sika no ATM na ekuwa no ayede TN7 I'm not sure how I'll be to first one withdraw sika wo mobile money afi ATM the ability can it be MTN mobile money code na *170#. It is *170#. No what dial it into dial running USSD code na running USSD code na yebeba number 5 that's financial services tuba financial services and yaba first one bank services no about bank services over bank services I be ATM cash out okay near about ATM cash out na so yebo ATM cash out yebeba generate token it just say yeah be generate token bit me kwakọ you ATM yeah born so be generate token nti yeah bo generate token na yakọ digit code no say o secret digit no o secret code be in case of so call ATM no maybe say secret code no nti me then me bo 2023 but enye mandatory say o mo 2023 na me bo na but obetimi bo code be 1111000 any secret code patriota say nti my bomb in 2023 until we bo sika o person on call withdraw free ATM ho until sika bit me withdraw 5 cedis to 400 Ghana cedis 5 cedis to 400 Ghana cedis until if I say me about 200 Ghana cedis until about 200 Ghana cedis okay until uba the prompt be about phone so ebe can say almost no prompt to say bia mama ye sport na and I say ye betting we na and I say oh ala cash out scan a prompt our code no then no about yes no but ama the be bonus say be MTN mobile money code na nti ye bo MTN mobile money code na ti ye be my wallet nti uba my wallet na waba my approvals no waba my approvals so ba approvals about mobile money pin no enye secret code na to so mobile money pin na nkasa to ba no akwakọ yi approvals patriota said nti oba nti be 200 Ghana cedis na wa ha no omo ye ni 202 say eden kwa na say okọ yi kakra wo mobile money merchant bi kra ho a eden kwa na nso obetu 2 cedis nti 2 cedis na mo de aka apreko no wabo we approve nti ha na wabo yes approve nti wa approve 200 cedis ne so person kokọ yi ni mobile money ho no nti wa approve 200 cedis ne de obeyi sisi an say o me send message bi aba o send message no ba time message no contain o token number no nti that token number no na de be call ATM kwa bebo de shim very simple me call ATM ni nyina me bia me video so de betimi ate ase yi kwa withdraw 200 cedis no ye hu process na how meet me fast withdraw sikawi mobile money if mobile money eden e ATM nti se amaba GCB ATM number was say an okay cardless services number other mobile money then I think I need to move to the next ATM. It's about GCB machine way on it seems say 3 services way be anya ejuma GCB Express cash deposit G-Money no kwa na ejuma other mobile money no and so in edge more I say okay. And this is here I'm about ADB ATM now about this here okay. Cardless services. Then much you see language, you know, English. Cash withdrawal. It seems a hassle issue. Hassle issue. You cost Stambik, you could try Stambik, so I shall do. And this is here Stambik number by. It seems we are not too much until you are mentioned say. But I hope you money now be home. And see, make you see cardless services. Then much you see mobile money. And now I say no. But you see empty mobile money. But also how much catch me say more mobile phone number. But I have no here be confuse you. I have never accept only 9 digits. Also how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or dot 9 digits spread. It means your phone number a token rather. And me but token on. That's 264460 Okay. Make sure also in here. 264460 Number continue. You will be saying now moving high secret code no. That's 2023. Then number enter. Okay. Schedule saying number person a 200 cities. That's 200 cities. Okay. Number continue. And you say bar safety. It seems say bar. Yeah, Abba. And say Abba. Scanning the bar. I see wait for cash. Scan now about 200 cities. And about that's 200 cities. So very simple as ABCD. And just say ADB and GCB machines in omo accept mobile money withdrawal say about a na machine na fault was our branch we machine na fault but definitely say on be survey we need baby I will be our kuma say for dua baby I will be ano ATM machine be ben wa commercial bank Fidelity me na bet me try definitely no we leave you feedback heading area to video na say me jiri say video be boa ama ati bia wo ye bia no be ko ani mu say okay unya girl be kwa mo no kwa na person we fan ani to kakra bia follow take him to Facebook YouTube here subscribe to channel no me the videos be very brown me the videos are here we gonna have ya bia unim ade na o ye no